this lecture, I'm gonna teach you how we can design a copyright-free logo without any specific graphic designing skills or without any expensive softwares like Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator. So in order to start the logo designing process, simply open a website, logomaker.com. With the help of this website, you can design a basic logo as per your need. In the top search box, you can type electronics when your website niche is electronics. So let's hit enter. So here we go, we can see all the icons are related to electronics niche. For example, we can use this one, so I'm just clicking on it. And this is the logo designing panel. You can simply change the color of this by having the color palette on the right hand side, something like that. You can also resize this logo like this, or you can also resize them in this way. If you want to add text, you can see here on the left hand side text. Just click on it, type anything, whatever you want, like electronics fair. We can also resize the font size, something like this. If you want to change the font style, you can simply use this drop down to change the font as per your need. Let's align them left. So here we have left. If you want to change the color of these fonts, use the same color palette like this. Now, once the logo is finalized, let's resize it a little bit more. Okay, now this looks fine. In order to save this logo, on the right hand side we can see save icon. Just click on it and then no thanks, download low resolution file. Click on it. Save this logo onto your desktop. And that's all you had to do. Now once we check our website, the default text is appearing over here. So let's go ahead and put the logo in this area. Go to your WordPress dashboard and under appearance we can see customize. Just click on it. This is the theme customization panel from where we can do some default settings to our website. Now in order to set the logo, simply click on header, then logo, and from here select logo. We can upload our logo into the website. Now click on select, click on skip cropping, and very soon it will appear over here. So this is just the preview screen over here. Let's go ahead and refresh our home page once again. Here we go. So this is how easy to set the logo onto our website.